Hello, welcome to Pit Maxwell YouTube channel. In this video we're going to talk about how to configure the control circle time for different outputs. Now for our ME65 series controller, it comes with two outputs at the same time, relay outputs and SSR drive output. Now if you're using relay outputs, we recommend to set the control circle time between 15 to 40 seconds. If you're using SSR drive output in your field application, you can set the control circle time between 0.5 seconds to 3 seconds. Now let's go to the parameter and see how we can change the control circle time. Press the set button, go to the password 808 and tap on the set key. Now the control circle time for a relay is 20 seconds. I've set it as 20 seconds. You can go ahead and set it for different value. So normally I go with 20 seconds. If you're using SSR drive output, you can change this value to 3 seconds, 2 seconds maybe, 2 seconds. Now 2.0 means 2 seconds, okay?